YouTube, what's going on? We back with another video. I said we back with another video. And I'm so excited, bro, because this is going to be day 7. Bro, clap it up, bro. This is going to be day 7 of a 90-day run, bro. We completed 1 week, bro. I'm so proud of y'all. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of y'all, bro. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on continuing to get to the bag. And let's stay locked in, man. Let's stay locked in. All right, so today's video, we're going to talk about how to attract money, bro. Money is so important nowadays. You cannot do anything without money. So it's so important to learn how to attract it, bro. It's so important to learn how to just have money come to you, bro. You don't want to chase money. Have money chase you. That's something one of my mentors say, put me on game. Don't chase money. Have the money chase you, bro. So today we're going to learn how to do that. And before we get into it, I want y'all to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, because you know we're going to keep on going these 90 days. And we're not going to stop. We're going to keep on going to the top. So I know you know what to do. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, because y'all part of the crew team. All right, so the first way we're going to attract money is first, we're going to build a positive mindset around money, bro. We're going to have a positive mindset on life, on money, on everything. Just be positive on life, bro. When I say be positive, I mean like just think highly. Just think the best of yourself. You know, don't think down about yourself. Don't talk down about yourself. Don't say just talk good about yourself. Say that, envision. I want you to envision what you're gonna be at, where you're gonna be at, when you're gonna be successful. When you're successful, I want you to envision what you see, bro. So that's the type of mindset I want y'all to have. This, you know how they say, yo, is a cup half empty or the cup half full? I want y'all to be the cup is half full type of mentality, okay? Nothing negative, always positive. And just keep that mindset and just keep working towards it. So having money just it doesn't make you successful. Having money makes it's a tool. It's a tool to get you success, okay? Money is not everything. Money is nothing. Money is paper. It's nothing. It's a tool to get to where you want to be at, bro, to do the things you want to do, to buy your freedom back, to buy your time back. Because currently right now, a lot of us, we're trading our time for dollars. And I mean, right now, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that, but right now, that's what we're doing. That's not the best thing. It's not what I want to continue doing. But right now, that is what we're doing. We're trading our time for dollars. And in the future, we want to trade our dollars to get our time back, bro. So that's why when you're young, work hard, grind everything out, grind what you gotta do, just so you could be ahead, bro. You could doing things that are, that are not easy. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't have money, start doing things. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying. So just have a good mind and just have a good outlook on life, bro. Have a good mindset on life. And you know what I'm saying? Don't ever be negative, bro, because your words hold power. So yeah, like I said, it's always important to have that good mindset. If you think positive things will come true. That's something big. If you like manifestation and meditation, that stuff is so big on me. If you manifest you're gonna be successful, you're bound to be successful, bro. Like that's so manifestation. I feel like don't get manifestation confused with praying. Like a lot of Christian people say manifestation is like not holy and stuff like that. Don't objectify manifestation. You know what I'm saying? Don't think that's what's gonna. Don't praise manifestation. Don't think that's what's gonna lead you to where you gotta go. No, you have to do the work. You have to pray to God. Pray to God. Manifest what you want from God. Manifest the life that you want, and pray to God for the life that you want. And the more you manifest, the more that you pray, God's gonna answer your prayers. He's gonna give you what you want. He's gonna do everything that He said He would do. If He's giving you the thought about being successful, He's giving you a thought about doing something different, bro, go ahead and do that, bro. He's giving you those thoughts because you deserve to You know, like I don't know. It's bigger than what I'm trying to explain, bro. God gave you those thoughts. You don't randomly like you randomly get thoughts, but you don't randomly get thoughts. You know what I'm trying to say? Like you might randomly think about opening a business, but you only got that thought because God put that in your mind. You know what I'm saying? That's like, like babies don't know nothing. We only teach them. We only teach them that you can't learn something you don't know. You teach them what you know. So whatever, if you don't know something, how are you supposed to learn about something you don't know? You know what I'm saying? But God gave you that thought. He gave you that thought, and now you know a little bit. And from that little bit, He wants you to do the rest. He wants you to do the hard work. He wants you to, you know, do the research, get the knowledge, and do what you're supposed to do. Like He gave you the food. Now it's time for you to eat. Yo, bro, I'm giving y'all a game, bro. I'm giving y'all a game. That quote right there is straight game, bro. God will give you the food, but it's up to you to eat it, bro. Whew, whew. When I hear that, bro, that just make me hungry. Cause I'm ready to eat. I'm always ready to eat. I'm always ready to eat. So, yeah, man. God is something beautiful, bro. He blesses. Every time I come on this camera, He blesses me. Like I got goosebumps right now. Just saying that quote, that shit gave me goosebumps. But yeah, man. Keep on grinding, bro. Keep on grinding, and then success is just gonna follow, bro. So we talked about manifestation. We talked about manifestation. We talked about what else we talked? Manifestation, and you manifest and you pray. Yep, you pray to God. Yep. And the more you think positive, it's all about mindset. It's really your mindset. It's your mental, bro. Think positive, and positive actions will come towards you, bro. Something else I want to talk about is failure. Failure is bound to happen. Everybody failed before. Everybody has failed at something before. Nobody is perfect, so everybody has failed, right? So the thing about failure, bro, is a lot of people, they get discouraged when they fail. They get, they feel like, oh, it's not for them. It's not gonna work out. But the bigger picture of a failure, the bigger picture is it's a learning curve. It's a lesson. You know what I'm saying? It's about learning from your mistakes, bro. Okay, yeah, you did something wrong. Let's give an example. Let's give an example. You have everybody. I hope everybody watching these videos have a 9 to 5, right? If your boss tells you, "Oh, don't be late no more," what are you gonna do? You're gonna learn. You're gonna learn from your mistake coming in late, and you better not come in late. You better fix your routine. You better, wake up a little bit earlier. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. You better change something, bro. You better learn from your mistakes, bro. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Learn from your mistakes and just do better, bro. So, like I said, bro, failure is nothing bad. Failure could only lead to good things. So don't be scared to fail. Don't be afraid to fail, and don't let nobody discourage you from picking up and trying again, bro. Because that's the most important thing. That's the most important thing about a failure is trying again. You fail, but you tried again. You failed but you tried it again. So that's what I'm trying to get at with y'all. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all in today's video is that chasing money is it's not all just W sunshines. It's not all like that, bro. Sometimes you take a loss, sometimes you take a L. But just like last video, you gotta learn how to bounce back, man. Yo, these videos are so crazy because they all tie into another, bro. I just love this motivation, bro. I get this motivation every day, bro. And I work hard every day, bro. I just left another job interview because I'm not satisfied, bro. I got a good job right now, but I'm not satisfied. I want more. I told y'all I'm getting ready to go to school, so every dollar that I'm saving up on these 90 days run is gonna have a purpose, bro. It's gonna have a bigger meaning, bro. And like I said, bro, money is just a tool. So, grind these 90 days so you have the ability to do whatever the fuck you want. When you have bread, you could do whatever you want. Like, isn't that's just so beautiful? That just brings me joy. Just being able to do whatever I want, whenever I want. Man, bro, that's just a different type of feeling, man. That's something y'all not even ready for that yet. You're not even ready for that, bro. So I just want to say, stay committed on your 90 days. Keep grinding, keep hustling, because the grind does not stop, bro. Just cause the 90 days finished, bro, it doesn't mean there's not gonna be another. There's gonna be another 90 days. So I just want to tell y'all, bro, pick up the camera, keep doing what y'all doing. I love y'all, YouTube. We're gonna be back here tomorrow. So I hope I get to see y'all tomorrow. I love y'all, YouTube. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace out.